Are you struggling to extract just the nested documents from an array in your database? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then stick around because today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. Querying nested documents can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with complex data structures. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to query for a list of all books from a collection of authors. They provided a structure with nested documents and are looking for a way to extract just the book details. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's the issue here? When dealing with nested arrays in databases, it can be tricky to pull out just the information you need without getting lost in the structure. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around until the end. I have a powerful tip that will help you streamline your queries and make your life a whole lot easier. To retrieve all the books from the nested documents, the user can use the MongoDB aggregation framework. This allows for powerful data manipulation and querying. The first step in the aggregation pipeline is to unwind the books array. This will create a separate document for each book, making it easier to work with the data. Next, the user should project the fields they want to include in the final output. In this case, they will want to include the title and pages of each book. Finally, the user can run the aggregation query to get a list of all books from all authors. This will return a clean array of book titles and their corresponding page counts. Fun fact, did you know that the first databases were flat files? Now we have complex structures like these, which can be both powerful and challenging. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the MongoDB aggregation framework. They recommend 3 main stages. First, unwind the books array to create a separate document for each book. Next, group the results to collect all unique books into a single array. Finally, project the results to display only the books without the document ID. Here's a pro tip. Always test your queries with a small dataset first. This way, you can ensure everything works as expected before running it on your entire collection. And there you have it. You should now be able to extract just the nested documents from your array. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more database tricks.